Are we dead? Woo! The boys on the bikes. Me and my boy Max. God motherfucker damn. This is their town centre. This is legal in Thailand, trust me. God damn, boy. There's Mickey D's, Kabuka. God motherfucking damn, boy. Woo! Fucking love scooters, man. This shit is so fun. God damn. Howdy, partner. Oh my, he's looking at me. Oh. He knows it'll be an easy fight. He don't need to. Cheers. Nice, huh? Look at these roots. Lovely little plant. Oh, butterfly. So pretty. Scrambling. God damn.
You got half it?
No. Good enough, path. Up here, boys, we're climbing.
I do think most of the dangerous animals here are ambush predators, right?
Yeah.
Like me.
Shit! God damn. We found a waterfall. Holy shit! Where are we going? Left or right?
We go left or right?
Left looks more fun.
I say we check left out.
Right looks a bit boring, right?
Yeah, right. Just a bunch of rocks. Also, definitely more snakes than that.
Yeah. Nah, they'll jump out the trees over here.
Nah, no tree snakes.
Holy shit! Right, I reckon we can climb that easy. I know you can. Part number one. Holy shit! Look at this. Hey, surely we can scramble up there.
Yeah, for sure, man.
Easy. That bit on the left don't look too steep.
That's the path, no?
That is the path. This is the constructed path. Now we gotta climb up this bad boy. I know this part. I'm putting some suntan lotion on now, boys. Nearly there.
What's going on, guys? Dax is about to do some parkour. This silly boy almost got his phone stolen, left it in the fucking scooter, and now look at him like a pro. Hey!
And we're back. Yeah, man. We got it! What a twat.
I already told the GoPro.
Oh, did you? Oh, fuck's sake, you've already been informed. Woo! Sweating now, boys. Quick little speed run. What's that?
Got like eggs all over it. Spider eggs, I think.
What the hell? Look at them thorns as well. Look how big the thorns are.
Yeah, right.
Mate, they got some fucking produce there. Holy shit. Oh my god. Wow. Here he is. Max is going for it. Woo! This is the life. Holy shit! It's so cold.
It's 30 degrees.
Oh, that's so nice. I'm doing a little bum scoot. Max is getting involved. It's so slippy, man. Holy shit. Woo.
Getting a bit choppy.
Oh! Oh shit!
Where is it? Is it flat there? Huh? Is it flat there?
Oh my god! Woo! Oh my god! Yeah! Oh my god! Woo! Holy shit! That is fucking sick! Woo! 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 This is so sick! I'm fucking having a little Oh, look at the butterflies. What the fuck? Hey, yo, are we dead? Are we dead? Here's the waterfall we was just in. Look at that, boys. Woo! We're gonna make one of these, boys. Look how nice that is. That is fucking perfect. I'm gonna try and make one. Woo! Woo! Mine's not very sturdy, but fuck. Can we start scrambling, boys? Still scrambling, boys. This was the route. We just took it. Look at that, and we got a good thank you at the end. Nice little pretty flower.
It's beautiful, man. I ain't even know what flower that is. Oh, look, and we got a whirlpool. There's the jacuzzi.
Holy! Hey, yo, the free jacuzzi. We're at the man-made infinity pool. God damn.
Drink.
Agua.
Sawadika.
Sawadika. Part 2. Wow. What a fucking mission that was. Holy shit. Oh my god.
We out here. You know where we are.
You know where, hey, you know where we are. Yeah, we don't.
No clue. God damn. Oh.
Woo, there's a waterfall. That's where we came from, boys. A good trek. Woo! I don't know if I'm gonna risk this swim. Shit swimmer. I'm so scared. Oh, that's it. That's all you got of me. Woo!
Yeah, real shit.
3 hours. 3 hours. That was a mission, right?
Yeah.
That was sick.
That was awesome.
That was some good fun. We're back down, back where we started. Woo! Big trip. That was so fun.
That was one of my favorite days of my whole life.
That was so good, right? Yeah. It was 3 hours up, scramble, and then we took the track back down. That was like 45 minutes. But we had more fun on the way up, so fuck it. Back on the bikes.